Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cloud security with Palo Alto Networks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve cloud security with Palo Alto Networks, start by assessing your current cloud environment. Identify the various cloud services and applications in use. Evaluate their security configurations to determine vulnerabilities. Next, implement Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewall for comprehensive protection. Deploy the firewall in a virtual format to seamlessly integrate with your cloud environment. Configure security policies tailored to your organization's needs. Focus on defining access controls to limit user permissions. Enable threat prevention features, including intrusion prevention and antivirus. After configuring the firewall, integrate it with Palo Alto Networks' cloud security solution. Utilize CloudGenix SD-WAN to ensure secure and optimized access to cloud applications. Monitor network traffic continuously for potential security threats. Leverage machine learning capabilities to identify anomalies and respond accordingly. Conduct regular security audits to ensure compliance and identify areas for improvement. Educate your staff on best practices for cloud security. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Review and update your security policies regularly based on evolving threats. Finally, establish an incident response plan to quickly address any security breach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.